In this video, we're going to add Google reviews directly to a WordPress website. Here in California, there's a fitness club with some great customer reviews, and this is their website. Now, let's make those reviews appear dynamically right inside the site. The first step is installing and activating the Depicter plugin. Now, from the Depicter dashboard, I'll go to the carousel category, then into the Google Reviews subcategory. I'll choose the dark carousel template since it fits the site style, and import it. From the top right corner, I'll open the Data Source tab and click on Settings. Inside the integration settings, we need to add a Google Places API key. You can easily generate this key from the Google Cloud Console. To get one, open Google Cloud Console, choose an existing project or create a new one. From API and Services, go to Enabled APIs and Services and activate Places API. Then head to Credentials. Click on Create Credentials and select API key. Copy the generated key, head back to Depicter, and paste it here and save. Now, with the API connected, I'll search for the fitness club and select it from the list. As you can see, all the reviews are instantly pulled in. There are also filters available so you can customize which reviews you want to display. You'll also notice a new sidebar section called Google Reviews. This contains all the elements inside the carousel. I won't change much here, just adjust the background to black so it fits the site's branding. I'll go ahead and publish the carousel. Next, let's open the home page in Elementor. Add a new section in Elementor, drag in the Depicter widget, and select our carousel. And that's it! We've successfully added live Google reviews to this WordPress site using Depicter. It's dynamic, customizable, and only takes a few minutes to set up. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.